My name is Ben Nathan and I'm a Chief Fund Manager within the Forex Mentor Live trading classroom. Forex 101, reading the price profile. First of all, what is the price profile? Well, it's very simply the direction that the market is flowing on any given currency pair. So the question is, why is it so important? Well, let's take a look at the chart and highlight the importance of trading with the price profile. Now, at the moment, and we're going to go over how to read this, but at the moment, the market direction or the price profile on the dollar Canadian at this point that we're showing you now is up. Very simple. So what happens if you trade against that price profile? And this goes for any strategy. Well, as you can see, price breaks below the price profile. So if you were to sell off here, the danger is, as you can see very quickly afterwards, price rallies straight back up, going even beyond where it was before it starts to spike down. So as you can see, if the market moves against the overall price profile, very quickly the market can jump back up. So if you're trading against the price profile, you're at danger of, number one, seeing a very short-lived trade, but number two, very, very quickly getting stopped out. So we want to avoid this danger by trading it in line with the price profile. So let's see how. We're going to go to the charts very quickly. And I'm going to show you a very simple method to read the price profile at any given time on any chart or any currency. Now, I know straight away we're looking at the dollar CAD, the thing's up, so I wouldn't want to be selling. I'd only want to be looking at buys. Dollar Swiss at the moment is heading into a little bit of a range. Dollar yen very clearly down. So how do I know this? Well, what I use is a very simple method, and I'm looking at the direction that price breaks fractals. Okay, so the fractals of these triangles here. So very briefly, what are they? Well, let me remove them first to illustrate what they are. So a fractal is very simply a swing high or a swing low point. And the way to find a fractal is you'll have an obvious high or an obvious low where there's either two lower candles each side or two higher candles each side. So if we have a candle where there's two lower candles each side, then that's a swing high or an upwards fractal where an upwards fractal will form. If we have a candle with two higher candles to either side, then that's a swing low. Okay, so if I go back and insert the indicator on this, so it's Bill Williams, fractals, and there they are. Okay, now the significance of these, when a fractal is broken to either direction, that generally indicates a commitment to price. So as you can see, this fractal here, price moves below, continues to rally. Okay, this fractal here broken, price continues to rally down. And the same happens when a fractal is broken to the upside. So this fractal breaks up, we have a little bit of a rally up. So fractals play a significant part, or swing highs play a significant part in ascertaining market profile or the price profile, or some people know it as market flow or price direction. So the idea behind this is that you should only ever trade in line with the current price profile. Because remember, if we trade against that, then of course we're at risk of getting stopped out fairly promptly. And the way to determine market profile is simply to look at the last fractal break. So as you can see, the last fractal break on the dollar yen was a downwards break. So price is currently down. The price profile is down. That's what way we expect the price to carry on going. If we reverse against that and break the last fractal to the upside, at that point price becomes bullish. Now, if you're a long-term trader, the best chart for this is the daily chart. So if you're looking, to take trades over weeks or months even, the daily chart is a good one to go by. And again, just look for the last price break. Okay, so if say last week you'd caught this break here, so we broke a fractal to the downside, and you're shorting off that basis, you'd currently be up by about 70-80 pips. Very simple process to know which direction to trade in. If you're a day trader like me, the 4-hour chart is a really good chart to give you an idea of which way to trade in any trading session. So whether it's the London, New York, Hong Kong, Sydney, or Tokyo, Sydney. If you trade in line with a 4-hour chart, so that's the last fractal break, you'll then see a lot more success to your trading. So no matter what your trading strategy is, if you're a pattern trader or a price action trader, if you go by the price profile, you'll see a level of success. Okay? So going back to what we've gone over, so we know that by reading the price profile, you can basically avoid the moves where price goes your way but then sharply reverses against you. Okay, so on top of this, you can actually learn how to trade safely and profitably in our live trading classroom. Now, we're already approaching 1,000 pips for the year, and you can learn how to trade to similar levels of success with our flexible on-hand help in the live trading classroom. So what is it? Well, it's designed so that you can get the help you need to suit your time constraints and trading preferences. So whether you're a technical trader or a fundamental trader, there'll be a full-time trader on hand to guide you throughout the trading session at your convenience. On top of this, each day there's a daily analysis presentation that sets a tone for the London, New York, and also the later sessions. So no matter where you are in the world, you'll benefit from the live trading classroom presentations. It's live Monday to Friday each week. Every day at 8 o'clock, we have a live interactive video analysis. That's London time. However, the analysis is recorded so you can access that whenever you're ready to start your trading day. Okay, so it's great for both London and New York traders alike, but it's also useful for those later session traders as well. On top of this, 8:30 AM to 3 PM London time, there's a flexible live trading session. So you can drop in whenever you like. So in the live trading session, you can follow myself as I trade my own client accounts, and I'll be highlighting any key trading setups throughout the day, whether it's technical or fundamental. I'll be taking you through my management techniques on each live trade that I take, so you can follow along with my stop loss and take profit methods, as well as learning how to reduce risk. Also, at any point throughout the session, you can log on to seek any guidance or ask any questions that you have. On top of this, throughout the sessions, there's live setup charts, live news and audio feeds, and of course, there's a downloadable PDF to cover the fundamental outlook on the sessions that you're trading. So how do you get in? Well, very, very simple process. If I crank up and load up Chrome, and I'll give you a quick guide on how to do this. The address you need to go to is forexmentor.com/live. Very, very simple. And all you need to do is head to the join page and choose the package that suits you. Now, some people want some longer term on-hand help. So they might want to just have a simple monthly payment. However, you can do a prepayment and save 33%. And you can also get around $400 of extra value from free Forex tester licenses and free access to the fxnewstrader.co.uk, which is a fantastic tool to help you trade for news very simply with very little effort. So it's forexmentor.com/live. Do have a look around. Check out the performance page as well. You can download an example of our trade tracker and see how we're doing and what trades we've been taking. And you can also get a good idea of what kind of monthly percentage you should be aiming for. So that's all at Forex Mentor Live. I'm Ben Nathan. I look forward to seeing you all in the live trading room and helping you on your journey to success.